If you look at the last couple of days, Home Depot has had a phenomenal move to the upside when it comes to the stock price. That along with also Lowe's. I mean, they've been doing quite well and phenomenal. So as we take a look at some of these charts, I want to show you some of this massive breakout things that are happening within this stock. So let's take a look and we'll go in and look at Home Depot. So here is the weekly chart. And if we look at it from this perspective, you can see the bigger picture. So since about 2022, about mid-range, this stock has went pretty much sideways. And we've been in this channel going down and up and down and up. And right now what's happening is that the stock is breaking out of this technical chart pattern. Now, I don't think chart patterns are the answers to solve all of your trading questions and make you a millionaire. I think it's a good spot to find entries and scans and those kinds of things as long as your strategy and everything lines up. But as far as the stock is concerned and looking at what's going on, this stock is breaking out quite well. Coming down from these lows of around 275, the stock is almost 100 points higher. So when we look at the run and growth, that the stock had, we've had a 28.37%, which is quite phenomenal. The other day, the stock popped quite higher, and then also now we're just holding up in these price levels. So from a weekly perspective, this stock is looking very good. It's got a massive run that we've just had and a huge push to the upside. So I think we can continue to see nice moves and further upside within the stock. And the other thing I want to show you is just looking at the related companies here. Look at Home Depot, Lowe's. Also, Lowe's has done quite well. Costco also up very fast in there as well. So I'll just pinpoint here on the low side, that's done just as well. You can see volume coming in. So there it is. So watch that volume. You've got a nice break and a good push higher. So both of these stocks, they kind of get that synergy going together between Home Depot and Lowe's, have moved quite well, and they're breaking some key technicals. So this is what I like. I like Home Depot's chart a little bit better because here we've got a very long sideways consolidation. And then if we look at Lowe's, we've kind of had that. But what you're not seeing in the low side is you still have this resistance right there. You did have somewhat of a sideways action, but it's not breaking through. So if I was to pick one, which one would I go with? I'd probably go with Home Depot from a technical basis. From a fundamental basis, that's a whole different story. You'll have to do your own research on that because that's going into the weeds. And remember, with fundamentals, you're usually looking at the stock for a year or longer. Here on the technical side, we're looking at it, maybe you could do it for multiple years as well, but you definitely have a much more cleaner price action behavior on the technicals with Home Depot, at least for the time being. So anyways, stock looks great from the charts, and now comes down to putting in your strategy into play, making sure you stick with it, the mentality, the psychology, and all the other things that go with it. So hope that helps. Truly appreciate you sticking with me, joining me. Feel free to check out the website, grab some freebies on their free mini courses as well, and a lot of great PDFs to download. I'll see you in the next video.